Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the die set called Home Together. This die set can be purchased with a stamp set called Coming Home, and if you bought them together, you get 10% off. Here I have my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I am using Platform 1, Platform 2, and the 2 acrylic plates, which are number 3s. I got this little house from the Trimming the Town Designer Series paper. It goes along with this suite. And also I am cutting the hill and the trees out of Whisper White Thick card base or cardstock, just like my card base that's in the background. So I'm going to put the machine aside and I'm going to pop out the die cuts. And I also have a 2x3 rectangle of the Trimming the Town Designer Series paper. I've chosen the Snowflakes one because I wanted it more of a background. I have put my Stampin' Seal, which is our new adhesive. It's not the super strong one. It's just the regular strength one, which is still pretty sticky. And I put that behind the tree die cuts, and you can see what I've done there. I've created a white silhouette. Now I've put dimensionals on the back of my little house. The house actually came from the Designer Series paper, so I didn't have to do any coloring or anything. This is super simple. But it did require a bit of die cutting, and you kind of had to buy the whole suite almost. So I have a previous, this is an adhesive sheet that I had used in a previous project, and I don't like wasting things. So even though it has letters and stuff cut out, it's still sticky. So I am still able to use it as dimensional adhesive. And I hope that you think of creative ways when you are using products with, this sort of thing. Can you use it again? All right, so I did put that down on my Whisper White Thick card base. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I have chosen the sentiment, "It's the best time of year," from the Host set, A Merry Hello, but I'm sure any sentiment that is approximately the same size or even a little bit bigger than the scene that I just put down on the card base would go. I felt that it was very whimsical. So this is my card for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.